What is nature? Is it the trees, the birds, the sound of breeze air you can feel brushing down your body? Or is it everything all together with us inside it? This is the phenomenon we're about to explore. Let's first understand. The word nature holds many meanings. Some express nature through different mediums: art, music, movement. Others slowly forget it, little by little. For example, through art, nature itself is an art form, created with a delicate touch and a perfect balance. When we look out through a window or walk outside, we often tune out nature's sounds, birds, planes in the sky, and drown them out with music, because we often feel strange when there's nothing to listen to or do. The quiet moments in between, that sound of peace, we catch it only when we're in tune. But this doesn't happen often. We acknowledge that nature surrounds us, everyone agrees with that, yet we rarely stop to reflect on how powerful this simple word is: nature. Give me a moment. Nature takes many forms: a baby animal, a forest that breathes, that spreads its seeds, never stopping, always reproducing, always bringing us to awe when we finally pause and notice. We play a role in what makes nature nature. We get to choose to keep it clean, to protect it, to let it thrive. And still, nature sustains itself. Rain and shine come without our asking. It's not just about the ecosystem, it's something more. A spiritual power, like God, who provides what is needed for all creation, whatever it's His greatest creation, us, or nature in its fullest form. So, in the end, what is nature? It's the element that gives us understanding. It brings the beauty of creation into our hands so that we too can create something beautiful.